Okay, guys, we are back at it with the most active stocks on the market. These stocks are high value and these stocks are highly volatile. Some of them are looking better than others. Now we got NVDA, that same as it did once upon a time ago, work its way up to becoming the most active stock on the market. We watched NVDA about a year or so ago dominate the markets. Once upon a time before that, it was Tesla. And it's crazy how these stocks shift. How they shift power and stuff like that. And so we might be watching NVDA remain being up here at the top of the most active list for a while now. If it takes back dominance, especially if it goes into a more bullish formation here now rather than a bearish formation, because as you can see, a lot of that volume coming in is straight bearish value. As we have been talking about in the video and the rest of the tech stocks and all that stuff like that, AIs and overall and the deep seeks, and everything that's going on. You keeping up with all of the banking with Billy videos day by day. And right now with NVDA pushing down to this big discount, it's going to drag the rest of the tech stocks down along with it. So later on, we will be, as usual, updating your quantum stocks. And I bet if we take a quick peek at those here right now, they will not be looking too good. Look at your hollow. Look at your ARQQ. We talking about RGTI. Things are definitely starting to slow down here a bit. These are things that happen because they tech stocks, tech stocks. But not only just those, you do got you actually. What's really crazy is our EVTOLs now though starting to look a little more decent now. A little more on the bullish side, and some of that, and they all coming out with news. Oh man, it's gonna be a hot EVTOL update after this, and I make those on the main channel. I always keep on updating the quantum stocks and the EVTOLs on the main channel. Um, eventually later on down the line. So like our most active videos and our P markets and our 52-week lows and whatnot, those came from our original YouTube channel, the one where we got over 10,000 subscribers, and then I rotated those over here to get that one in a rotation with the more top trending things. Eventually, we'll probably be doing our videos back over there. Our most active are 52-week lows. But for now, the goal is to get this one up to that 1,000 subscribers first. So we'll keep this one consistent as well. We're gonna keep them all consistent. And so as you notice, I do these videos in a certain way. In the morning time, clip those, and then I'm going to penny stocks, and then I'm going to the main channel for the quick options updates, and then I'm repeating the cycle all around, to keep everything updated. And then at the end of the day, I try to come in with the big updates, which I'll probably be, instead of doing 52-week lows at the end of that day, on this channel, I'll probably be doing all y'all updates and requests. I know y'all got a lot of those, and at the end of the day, I can either squeeze in the 52-week lows or squeeze in that one. So whichever one you guys will prefer, then let me know in the comments below. 52-week low video at the end of the day, or all the updated tickers from the comments at the end of the day. So NVDA though, NVDA now though is coming in for a bull run. I mean a round of bullish divergence. It's about 10:30. About that 10:30 reversal about to hit. In fact, y'all remember just like last time, I was excited for those NVDA calls. It's about to be. You know what? I'll probably just pass up on those. I'll probably just not again. If you do recall, we did get our last. You were, you were last time I was making the video. I was like, oh man, NVDA about to make this reversal. I don't want to miss out on this. I think that was yesterday or something like that. And then yeah, and then I ended up getting in that NVDA call right after I made that video. And where's this at? Yeah, well we will get in there. I was looking for the exact alert on NVDA. The video. Oh yeah, it was an overnight swing. Yeah, is what it was. So I would get in there at the end of that video, going for the 4-day expiration. The video calls going to 2024, and then of course the next day it would come in for an explosion. We were locking the easy gains off of that. So that's going to be another one of those moves. Yeah, I didn't even mean to come to the screen. This here is the Bankability Classroom Scanner. I leave this live so everybody in the classroom could do their day trades off the BTC and stuff like that, off of 1 minute and 15 minute, giving you your buy signals and sell signals. And you follow along with the flow. I let you know the range, with your resistance and support ranges as well. I didn't even mean to come to that one, but good that we seen that, man. After this video, I might just be going for those NVIDIA calls again if they not too far gone. But MGOL. So this one here is picking up in the most active volume with a a volume of 133 million on MGOL. So we can look a little bit deeper into some of these as well. If Moomoo opens up here for us real quick. So MGOL at 12 cents, they are up 21%. MGO Global, for those of you who don't know, is a digitally native lifestyle brand portfolio company. So you get a full understanding on what MGOL does. We'll open up their website. Understanding what their website is, understanding what that company does, gives you a general understanding on what you're investing into. Where powerhouse brands are made, innovative core, customer reception. And why those numbers going up like that? That's just probably not real, but that is pretty cool though that those numbers going up like that. But we'll look deeper into their website. You know, on MGOL, it's a very shaky one. It's not a safe stock. Like I'm just letting you know now, it's not a safe stock. Short interest might be big in there, but MGOL is one of those stocks that never been able to have a consistent, easy bull run. Like you know, into the markets, I'm just letting you know this is not the safest ones to be getting into. We can look a little bit deeper into MGOL over on the mobile investing platform as well. See a little bit more about what's going on. You already know. I really wanted to see the capital trend and the cost distribution. And if you notice, we just brought our videos back to back to the previous device. I'm gonna use those new ones that I have to do all the live streams on. Is this one here was really giving us our cost distribution, which I love to see is a whole lot faster. But extra large is it which is a reminder of me telling you. Like if you ever planning on upgrading your systems or whatever it is or making addition to it, don't be cheap about it and try to get something smaller, man, because it's gonna slow you. It's gonna slow down the whole process you had. You know, you can only upgrade and put in more to whatever you got going on. But so MGOL, like I'm not messing with MGOL. It's a shaky one, and you don't have to mess with every single stock all the time. Just because the stock is coming in for a bull run and whatnot, you know, you can literally just let that one go. You know, be and go on for the next thing. But you got SPGC. They went from 27 cents up to the highs of $1, back from 1 to 27. We did catch the last bull runs. The key level will touch down to. They look so those big wells, man. They believe in that golf, as you can see as you can see on SPGC stock. There was another one that used to be with us. I can't forget what it was. I think it was called TRUG. But let's look up SPGC. See who's been catching at SPGC most recently. I didn't catch this bull run. I caught the last wave of SPGC. Hey, easy money, you know, easy money. SPGC. This place when you got all the coaches learning that thing out. Get in at 30 cents or lower. This thing touching up towards $1. SPGC. If any stock keep over $1, it's definitely gonna be this one for sure. But like I say, you don't catch them all. If you like just not seeing this and it's already up, you don't got to get the feel like all these people buying up now. They got the FOMO because they too late now. They too late. They didn't see when we are putting out the alerts in the Discord for 30 cents or lower. And I always recommend you to diversify your skill sets, man. You don't only have to go for these penny stocks. Like you can go for those options. They're not as expensive as you think if you going for IWMs and spies and stuff like that. And you could go for the BTC. I mean, for the crypto leverage trades. That's 24/7. There are other ways to make money in the market. You don't only got to go for these penny stocks. You see, I make videos on a lot of different things. But SPGC is a golf stock, by the way. Portfolio of golf products, including putting instruments, golf shafts, and golf grips. Next, you got KZIA. So this one here is another risky one. They don't really move too often. As you see that this morning, they did go from $1.34 up to $2.77, which is about a good 100% explosion on KZIA stock. Look a bit deeper into KZIA. As KZIA is yet another one that I was making videos on just this morning before the explosion. And we were putting out early alerts for KZIA as well. Those, these therapeutic stocks can be very risky after they come out with the FDA news. Like you probably get some quick FDA news right now that add into the bullish sentiment, but after that's done with, they're gonna start selling that thing right back off. So you got to just be a bit careful about that and understand your different kinds of trading strategy that you choose to partake in. Um, a lot of these people, as you can see, that are all like all those red bars coming in, because those people are like day traders. Look at this on your 1 minute chart. Like they already get in and they already have the plan to day trade it. But then there's some people who already have the plan to go for a longer term. That's why it's still holding up here. And then you got some people who don't even look down at those 1 minutes, like the bigger whales and longer term investors. They looking at these the monthly charts. They're like, oh, that monthly chart looking beautiful, big discount. Yeah, I'll wait a year. You know, so like it's different for some people. And keep in mind, like we, like us, are the most experienced in the markets. Because you're the one that's actually out here on the markets every single day. You're the one you out here and you out in this field. You seeing the battles being had. You in there having your battles in the markets. You seeing the markets flow every single day. You all over the stocks and the cryptos and whatnot. You got a lot more experience than versus almost everybody in the investing world. You just don't realize it yet, but you know exactly how to handle the markets already. You just gotta be able to trust and believe in yourself. That comes in a little bit as well. But AMOD from $1.32 of the $5.54. They do got a quick pullback here into today's trading session, but you got the whole markets having this quick pullback right now. Look at this. It's still a bullish one. It's still a bullish one with over 4,000 advance. And you were seeing this morning's videos. We are talking about how it was going to reverse and you were going to have over 4,000 advancers, from the big reverse coming in. But a big pullback is coming. We already caught our rounds. You don't have to continue to go. If you got enough money in your account, you can literally just keep on going all day. It's only going to build up more and more. So like you can literally just keep going all day with until about 12 o'clock. Like after like 11, 12 o'clock, then the options really start slowing down. But that doesn't really mean anything because then the crypto keeps on going. The crypto markets will slow down and start to like consolidate at some point. Keep in mind, usually like once a day. But you're doing that for 1 minute chart. That don't really mean too much to you, now for real. But where we at? So yeah, AMOD big run on AMOD. What is this? They up 200%, and this is a tech company focused on artificial intelligence and retail. It's very good on AMOD. And next you got KZIA. Oh, I guess that was all five. So we just talked about KZIA. Yeah, well, yeah, these are the most active stocks on the market. Like I said, make sure you take your time because you're not gonna be able to catch every single one. But what I recommend is the ones that you don't see going out in the Discord on time for that big bull run. You just use it as you just use it as study material. You just use it as some study material so you can be ready for the next stuff because there's knowledge to be learned in all of this. But next we finna go back to the big channel and we'll be talking about the quantum stocks and news and projections, and we'll be talking about the EVTOLs and news and projections and stuff. I'll see you guys over there and happy trading.